Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to show error alert in Excel using the data validation. This features helps us stop user from entering the wrong data in a cell. So let's start the first, select the cell or range where you want to apply the data validation. So here I want the date between the 1st March 2025 and 31st December 2025. In between date I am allowing in this range. Okay, so I just select to apply the data validation. Select the range of cell and go to the data tab. In data tools, have a data validation option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the data validations. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, in validation criteria and allow, just click on this drop down arrow and select the date option. And here in data, the between is default selected. Then start date, select the first your date. So I just enter here the first date, 1st March, okay, 2025. Then 31st December 2025. Okay, then click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see your data validation is applied. When I enter the first day 0103 2025 and press the enter key, this date is accepted. So when I enter here the different date, suppose I enter here 2/2 2021. Okay, previous year date, and press the enter key, and you see the Microsoft Excel showing the one error. This value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay, so this error you can change, you can edit. Okay, you can set the error here. So I cancel it and set here the different error. If you want to give the some alert, give the alert, give the message to change the something. So you can mention here in your alert message, error message. Okay. So I just cancel this and again I select the range of cell and again I go to the data tab in data validation option. Click on drop down data validation. Now here you can see the same dialog box is open in setting validation criteria already I set. Okay. Now I click on the error alert tab. In third tab, error alert. Now you can see you can enter here the title. So just I enter here the error. Okay. And you can enter here any error message. Those you want to show the pop-up message. Okay. So I just enter stop old entries. Okay, just I enter here randomly. Okay, you can mention here the any message. Okay, and after that just click on OK. And now I just enter here any date. Okay, so I just enter it 2022. Okay, and press the enter. Now see the error message showing the difference. As I mentioned, error is a title and stop old entries. Okay, so this is a way you can change this error message. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so